Adventure time!
Yay, adventure time.
Whoa! Okay, hi internet. Haven't seen me in forever, said every casual vlogger ever. I'm on a hike with this one. And what used to be a path that led from my backyard to a waterfall, now it leads through a neighborhood to a waterfall. It's kind of a slow day at the waterfall though, it looks just like a river. Kind of casually, lazily going along, but it's beautiful out here. So, bugs. We're exploring, taking an adventure. And yeah. So, that's what we're doing. When we cross the river, you can't tell because we both are in the same place. But we went from over through the trees, crossed on a little patch of rocks over there, if I could zoom in I would, and came up here to this giant boulder that's kind of high up. And so now we're up here, chilling for a sec, and then we'll go back on the path.
It's adventure time in the woods.
We're vlogging together, isn't that cute?
Vlogging. Vlogging.
Oh, vlogception. Oh, vlogception. Hi. Well, anyways.
I don't think you can see it.
We're gonna head over there to that little peninsula-ish thing. We can't cross right here, obviously, because I don't have rain boots on. But
there's water.
And water. But yeah, we're gonna go cross, and I don't want to drop you, so
This is fun.
peace out, Girl Scout.
Peace out.
Which one do we take? Give you 3 seconds in the comments to guess which one. Right or left? Alright, you're gonna find out in a sec. Oh, I'm sneezing every 3 seconds. The answer was the right one, but then it's kind of flooded. So we went in this little middle path. So we kind of also went left. So you're kind of all right. So congratulations. Let's see what mysteries lie down this path. I know one of them has a fire pit, because like people's houses are fairly close to this, so they have their own little paths to get back here, and some group of people comes and hangs out. I don't really know, I've never run into them. I don't come back here super often anymore. Oh, nature! So many living things, but I'm not a fan of your bugs. Also, there's always the very rare, wild, wait for it, beer can. That one's a baby. It's a baby beer can. See how squashed it is? Shh, don't wake it up. Ah, bug. Did you see that? Like, it went into my eye. Wah. Step. There it is. See? Looks kind of used too, so I'm assuming some people who live around here come out here and enjoy some nice marshmallows and beer over here in the summer. So that's a lot of it. We could keep going to the road, or do you want to head back and try the other path? That way, back we go. Look what we found. somebody set up camp up here too. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Back down now, as nice as it feels. We'll see you back on the ground. Well, we're on the ground. Back in the down there. That's where we'll see you. Alright, and thus ends our little adventure. We're back home, enjoying some nice cold water. Sponsor water. Mmm. Delicious. No. But it was fun. But now we're hot and tired, so we're gonna have some Oreos. Sponsored. Haha, just kidding. And sponsored. And then I'm gonna have to bring Jess back. Alright, so that was our little adventure. Hope you had fun coming with us. And I'll see you whenever I see you. Peace out.